kittens are 5 weeks old. And you know what that means. Photo shoot. Without further ado, here are the photos of our 5-week-old kittens. Alright, let's check on our mummy and kittens. Hello, Ladybug. Oh, she's trying to walk right out the door, but that's not gonna fly today. Oh, hello. I see we're using the cat tree now. And little Worm wants to scream at me. You are Worm, right? Yes, that's Worm. I got it right again. I'm getting better at this, although they still look almost exactly the same. Good morning, Firefly. Oh, and here comes Roly Poly. What about you, Honeybee? Too cool for school? Well, they've left their socks everywhere. And underwear. Hi, Mama. Honeybee's just content to clean her beans in the box. But I've got to give every little kitten a pat. It's important. And today I got to work. So I better scoop the poops. Bye. Here's little air potato basking in the sun. Let's give him a pat. What a lovely guy he is. I weighed him yesterday. And he's up to 7.5 pounds. So he's catching up to Pee-wee. And he's bigger than Ladybug. Can you hear him purring? He's been such a good boy. Hey! Don't chomp me. Bye. Well, I decided to show you where each of my cats are today. Here's beautiful Friday sleeping on the bed so that I can't make it. And walking out here, we see beautiful Pee-wee on this drum cat sleeper. Hi, Pee-wee. She's so cute, fluffy. We just love her. And last but not least, if we travel through to the baby room, we see Victoria and Dara, the skin kitten, enjoying her little foot piano. And in the bassinet, it's Baby. Baby air potato. What a butt. Get you later. Bye. Well, these kittens have the late night zoomies. They're having fun. Firefly just woke up from a nap. And little Worm wants to yell. Roly Poly's here, papping away at Worm's tail. Honeybee has no interest in the fight. Roly Poly wants a little pat. Mama just wants to eat some more food. I brought the cheese out of retirement so that they could play in there. That's pretty cool. And it looks like Honeybee's running around at the back of the room. Where are you, Honeybee? Roly Poly just got a pap. And here comes Worm. Followed by the paw of Firefly. Anyway, it's my bedtime. I just wanted to show a little bit of this high energy kitten action. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.